I'm Vince Gaetano and welcome to this edition of the video blog. Today we're going to talk about the federal government announcement in the federal budget about some tools to help homeowners achieve affordability as well as get into the housing market. Two programs in particular was the RSP Home Buyers Program. We saw the federal government increase the maximum RSP withdrawal limit from $25,000 to $35,000, and we also saw the first time Home Buyers Incentive Program introduced, which is a shared equity program that will allow homeowners to have a matching contribution from the federal government from 5 to 10% in down payment that will be put towards the purchase of their home. With respect to the RSP Home Buyer Program, this is a program that hasn't seen much change in about a decade. We were anticipating that there could be an opportunity where this amount could increase, and we saw it increase from $25,000 to $35,000, could give homeowners the ability to access a little bit more cash for their down payment and reduce the amount of money they're borrowing. The second program is a little bit interesting, still sketchy on the details. The Minister of Finance indicated that more details will come in the fall, just prior to the election. And the concept is one that will include a sharing of the profits or losses in the home with the government. The government is going to be providing an interest-free loan that will match on resale home 5% of the borrower's down payment, and on a new construction home up to 10% of their down payment. So the idea is to reduce the amount the borrower will be taking on as a mortgage, which would reduce the overall interest cost and payments made on that mortgage. So it provides a little bit of relief. There are restrictions though. The maximum amount borrowed is 4 times a household income of up to $120,000. So in this regard, the maximum amount that could be borrowed is $480,000. In the Greater Toronto Area, I don't think that's going to be enough to really spur much activity. I think that some of the details are sketchy on how the gains on this home, when sold, are going to be shared between the homeowner and the government. The details, as I mentioned earlier, are going to be forthcoming in the fall, and we'll get more details. But at this point, I think the program is a little bit sketchy. I'm not all that positive on it because I'm not sure I would like to share in the profits of my home sale if I'm making all the payments, including household upkeep, utilities, taxes, and all the obligations required of a homeowner to maintain that home. So the jury's still out on that one, and we'll keep an eye on it and give you more updates as they come forward. I'm Vince Gaetano, thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.